Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. This is going to be a quick Tula XII video showing you how to build a planner. Specifically this time it is a direct sales planner. I have a lot of friends in direct sales and I just like to show them some ideas of what they could use to help them be more organized in their business stuff. So we're going to start with an extra large cover. This one is the shabby chic. It is still available. The classic cover has 4 bands and it has 1, 2, 3 pockets on the inside cover and the back side cover, on the inside front cover and inside back cover. Okay, one of the first things I feel is important with a, where did I put them? Hold on one second. The wrong inserts there. Sorry about that. One of the first things I like to have in my business planner is the goals and habits. Each of our inserts has 26 pages. So if they're a 2-page spread like this, that's 13 layouts. What I do is I find the inside center and you're just going to slide it onto one of the bands. I can show you in another video how to add more than 4 inserts. I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, so this is the goals and finance. I think that's really important with your business. The month, your top goals, your goal title, number of parties, number of bookings, number of new recruits, my sales, team sales, VIP groups, and preferred customers. In Tula XII, that would be perks. Our lifetime volume, any notes you have, and then over here, you're going to list your monthly party sales. The date the party started, party name, our host name, sales, bookings, did you close, did you follow up, future party hosts for those that booked, and monthly business expenses. I find if you keep track of this stuff on a monthly or weekly basis or by party, you have a lot less to figure out at the end of the year for tax time. The next insert I like is the party time. I use this for my Facebook parties, my messenger parties, my text message parties, my in-person parties. And it has a couple here. It has in-person, Facebook, and catalog. I don't do a lot of catalog parties. Some of my in-person parties, they take catalogs, but for the most part, I do probably at least 25% of my business is in Facebook. So name of the party, party date, close date, orders, bookings, place to check off with you. Did your hostess coaching? Did you create the party? Did you do the host order? Did you close the party? Thank yous, follow-ups. A place to list the games you played, maybe the posts you had, any orders, notes, and then it's the same thing on this side. So that's to track your parties. I do have another one that I use, that's events, and that one is similar, but it's meant to track your in-person or online events because those are a little different than parties. I will show that to you another time because I think I sold my last one right out of this sample book. Okay, the next one is customer contacts. And this one is where you track all those things you want to follow up on with your customers once you have a customer or a potential customer. Place for their name, their email, their phone number. I would put in there somewhere, not just their name, but maybe put somewhere, maybe with the email, their Facebook or Instagram handle, phone number. I would also put I think I would put their name and their Facebook name here. This is a new layout to me. I'm still using one of the old styles. Here I'd put their email and maybe their mailing address, their phone number, birthday, so you can send them a card or a coupon or a little happy mail, order, and did you follow up after they place their order, and then join, host, or VIP. That is the customer contact. I am terrible about follow-up, so if I don't do this, I'm even worse. So one of my goals for this year is to be better about following up with customers. The other one I like to use because it's versatile and you can use it for whatever pertains to your business. We don't have a direct sales insert specifically for a company. This is a spreadsheet one, and with the spreadsheet one, you can make this layout whatever you want it to be. If you have certain steps in your company you want to take, you can put them across here. If you have certain things you want to do with each person, I probably would put, I'm not sure on this, I haven't used this, but I do know that other customers have used it to track specific things specific to their customer. We do also have a lot of other direct sales inserts. Right offhand, we have one for your team. We have social media ones. A lot of people like a monthly calendar at the beginning of their planner, of their direct sales planner. I happen to keep my calendar in my regular planner with both my business and my personal and my day job all on one calendar, so it's easier to track. There are listed, if you go under direct sales on the website, if you go inserts, direct sales, you will show you the other ones. Right offhand, my mind's blanking out, but I know there is the events planner, the other, what did I just say? Can't remember now. Anyway, go and look because it's late at night when I'm taping this, and I've lost my memory. So thanks for visiting my channel. This video is kind of a hot mess, if you can see. I do like to add some accessories to my planner. I like one of our magnetic clips to mark where I'm at. I like a pen gem. I don't take my pen gem with me unless I take a refill because I don't want to run out of ink and on the go. And then I also like some of our Post-its, and I usually just slide the Post-its in with that stuff. So there's a lot of stuff to do, and that is a quick look at my direct sales planner. Please, if I left anything out, which I probably did, ask away and I will help you with any questions you may have. Have a great day, and thanks for visiting my channel.